Welcome to the 0200 hours picks for North America for the winter season B14 schedules. So my shortwave picks for 0200, which is equal to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for the East Coast of North America. All these picks are for North America for this winter season. The first pick, which is a very hard one, Radio Thailand 13745. They have a second hour of program in English to North America. This one is kind of hard. I probably don't hear it very often. As you see, it's pretty empty right now. Probably if you're on the West Coast, it's a better choice. And so they have 1 hour of English that you can try for, but this one's kind of hard. My second pick, as usual, throughout the evening, try Global 24 Radio.
Had been made, but reaching Monday's deadline was simply not possible.
We're having a pretty good signal right now, 9395. Various programs, as you know, Global 24 switches between all sorts of programming. Sometimes it's WRN, the World Radio Network. They also have all sorts of other programs like EU News Network and all sorts of interesting stuff. So Global 24 is always something to check for throughout the evening in North America. 9395 kilohertz. We have the second hour of Radio Havana, Cuba, that is on 6,000 kilohertz and also on 6165 kilohertz. 6165 is often better than 6,000 for some reason. They probably don't use the same transmitter. 6,000 has a lot of problems. 6,000 kilohertz sometimes is almost inaudible. You have a signal, but there's no voice. So they have some kind of transmitter problem. And Cuba has a very big chunk of English to North America. It starts at 0100 and it ends at 0600. So they're pretty much all evening to North America in English. It's a repeat every hour of the same program. So if you miss something the hour before, you can just tune again and you'll have the same program that repeats throughout the evening. Then we have at 0230 UTC, Voice of Vietnam with another 30 minutes of programs. This is relayed from UK. And one that is a little hard, but when it's there, it is interesting, as usual, is Radio Tirana from Albania at 7425 kilohertz, also at 0230 UTC. The only day where Tirana is not on the air is Sundays. They aren't on the air. So that's pretty much what we have at 0200 hours UTC for English. If you speak French, you also have Radio Romania French. Radio Romania French is on 5975 and 7395 kilohertz to North America. So if you do speak French, you can try that. That is one of my picks because I speak French. But if not, I probably would either tune Global 24, maybe check Radio Havana, Cuba. I think it's on Mondays they have the Mailbag Show, and also Arnie Coro's The Xers Unlimited, which is always interesting listening. So that's what we have for the winter season of my shortwave picks for 0200 hours UTC for North America.